Alright, I have managed to get myself onto another beach. Now this beach is the Cansaulim beach. Coming from the main road, you have to turn to a bit to another, like a road which is like adjacent to the main road. And coming here actually not all bad actually. Yeah, a small road actually. Not much touristy attractions here and there. I mean, this is like a proper private house at this point, and houses there and stuff like that. So yeah. So it looks okay. I think I have to go right now. I think, right? Do I have to? Wait a minute. There's a piece of... Is that the fucking road? Let me just go and look at the map. Alright, so I just saw the map and apparently that is the road. So, I don't know actually, god damn it. You know what? I'm going to let the car behind me take the risk and go ahead. You know what?
If I go, the car will come back?
Not sure. But by the looks of it, there's water, so it might get stuck. I mean, some other rented car parked outside. Okay. Yeah, and I think they walked. So I think they tried, but they failed, so they came back and they parked there. Yeah?
There's no way for walking also.
Ah, shit. I think the other guy is also in the same blunder. So I think, you know what I'm going to do? There's a little bit of like a side adjacent road to there, I think, and I can go through like a little bit of a field-ish. So I think, yeah, because you know what, by the looks of it, this road does not look... I mean, I can try, but fucking hell, I don't want to get stuck. And this thing is fucking, I mean, this guy is attempting to do that, and to be fair, he has a better car than me. I think it's like actually a 4x4, so I think he can get to there. But me in my old i10, I can't. Up there's like a proper water pool, so it's like definitely don't want to go and try out. But looks like this guy is going, to be fair. Yeah, look at that. Holy shit. Oh, he's swimming. He is swimming. Fuck no, I don't know. I am not going to do that. Nah, I'm not going to do that. Look at that. Holy shit. Nah. Oh my god. Oh, that's so big. Okay, fine. He's out of it.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, so now I did see on the maps, I think further ahead, I think I'll be able to park the car next to the road and walk a little bit. Doing some sort of a construction here as well. And it looks of it like villas or something like that. A little tiny baby digger. Look at that. Oh, how cute. Oh, yes. Yes. Is that a way? Is that the way? Oh, yeah. Let me just park my car a little bit there, and then I think I can walk through the field a little bit. I think I'll say actually in the distance a peacock. I don't know. Really, oh my god, that's full of water. I hope I won't get bitten by a fucking snake. Fucking hell, everything is fucking bad. Fucking hell. Is there a fucking better path than this? What the fuck? Where the fuck am I walking? Jesus, wait a minute. I'll find a better path, because this thing is... it looked, from the outside, from the road, this looked like, walkable. But I don't think it is much walkable. This does look kind of like a path, actually. Am I looking what I'm looking at? Am I looking at the path? I hope I am. Alright, let me try. So everything is wet. Everything is wet. Everything is fully, properly wet. Oh my god, I'm sinking. I'm fucking sinking into this fucking shit. There's a fucking stream here. Oh, alright. My god. Fuck, man. Well, at least, I found a way to the beach. But by the looks of it, this beach does not get much traction. Pretty chill. Nothing is here. Nothing like that's like a shack somewhere. I think so. Pretty sure. Maybe there's just like a storage shed for the boat or something. There's one forgotten boat here with stuff. Okay. Finally I've reached the beach. I'm gonna go a little bit further because yeah, I am not going to go there. Yeah, so basically this is how the beach looks. Closer, to Vasco, you can see the structures and stuff like that a little bit, better, which kind of like ruins the kind of, the sense that, oh yes, you know what, you're out in the open and, clean, pristine beaches. But yeah, this is how it looks in the off season, to be fair. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. Now I have to make the treacherous journey back to the car. Oh my god. Oh, all right. Final thoughts. Well, pretty sure during the season, of course, not the monsoons are there, it is much easier to access this beach. But during the monsoons and during the off season, this thing gets flooded and you have to go through another different road and walk through a little bit of a field. But yeah, nothing much to look at. You come closer to Vasco, you can see the island a little bit better, so that kind of ruins the views and ruins the photos, I guess. But apart from that, yeah, not bad. You don't see really actually any restaurants, any shops or whatever. So yeah, actually pretty cozy, quiet beach. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.